Education in Wales is entering an exhilarating new era, both in developing a world-class curriculum for schools and within teacher education. Whether Wales is already your home or you are new to the country, you have an opportunity to play a part in these exciting and motivating developments. Bangor University, along with high-quality schools and in collaboration with the Regional School Improvement Service GWER and Education Research Institute Ciere, have created an innovative partnership called Caban Bangor, all working together to educate highly capable, ethical and ambitious teachers of the future. Uniquely, all partner groups have played a significant part in devising a suite of outstanding primary and secondary programmes for teacher education at both undergraduate and postgraduate level that take into account what is required to prepare you to be an exceptional teacher in Wales. It is a partnership that provides you with a fantastic opportunity to study an initial teacher education course that firmly places all learners at its heart. Caban's teacher training courses will provide you with a high-quality experience across a network of different and challenging learning environments, including urban and rural, mainstream and special schools, and outdoor education settings. You will have the opportunity to learn Welsh as a complete beginner or enhance your existing language skills through bespoke language support in school and university. Committed schools with well-trained mentors will support your progress towards qualified teacher status in accordance with professional standards for teaching and leadership in Wales. Experienced tutors and researchers in university will provide excellent support and stimulating sessions, and the qualification you gain will equip you to teach within and beyond Wales. If you would like to find out more about this unique partnership and the Caban Bangor courses on offer at Bangor University, contact us today.